Assalamu alaikum, you're watching Art with Kiran Salman. In this video, I will tell you how to draw cityscape in one-point perspective. But before starting today's work, you must know that what is perspective? Perspective is a method of creating the illusion of three-dimensional space on a two-dimensional surface. And what is one-point perspective? It is a drawing method that shows how things appear to get smaller as they get further away, converging towards a single vanishing point. Now, what is a vanishing point? Vanishing point is the point in the distance on horizon where parallel lines meet and disappear. In one-point perspective drawing, there is only one vanishing point. The result of one-point perspective drawing can often look impressively complex, but actually the process is surprisingly simple, which you are going to learn through this video. Take a drawing sheet of any size and draw diagonal lines and make a big X from corner to corner all over the sheet. The center of the X, where both the lines are intersecting, will be considered as the vanishing point. You will see four portions on the sheet. Upper part will be used for sky and lower one for land. The sides will be used for buildings, shops, footpath, trees, or anything which you wanted to draw. The angle of diagonal lines will be very helpful throughout the drawing. I began the work with drawing road. Here I use scale, and which is very important. I marked 1.5 inch on left hand side bottom just before the drawn diagonal line. And same I will do on the right hand side. Then join the both marked dots with vanishing point. Now mark 1/2 inch both the side and draw another line connecting to the vanishing point. These two lines will be the footpath. Taking measurements is sometimes really important, especially in this type of work. Now draw vertical lines in the second line of footpath. At this part of drawing, you need to be very careful. Why? Because you need to keep your scale exactly on 90 degrees and draw vertical lines. Check the placement of your scale from the side of the sheet so that you can make accurate vertical lines. While drawing vertical lines, gradually reduce the distance of the lines to show the long and steady footpath. If you find problem in reducing the distance, you can take help from a measuring scale and mark the dots. For example, the distance of first line can be 1.2 inches, then the other one may be 0.8 inches, which is less than 1 inch, then the other one may be 0.6 inches, and near the vanishing point, all the lines will be very close to each other. For the other side of footpath, you need to do little more efforts to make it symmetrical. You need to keep your scale horizontal and mark the dots exactly in front of the lines which you have drawn on the other side. Now I'm drawing buildings on my left-hand side. Draw some vertical lines in this part for buildings. The first line is the tallest one, and gradually the height of the lines getting shorter, along with the X line which I drew in the beginning. After every 2 lines, the third one will be drawn little close. For making the top of the buildings, first draw horizontal line which is starting from the edge of the sheet, then draw diagonal line. Repeat same process for all the buildings. This technique will help you to draw all the buildings in correct size and angle. Later you can make the rooftop of your building in your own style. And this is how you end up till the vanishing point. On the right hand side, I wanted to draw trees. The rule will remain same. The tree which is at front will be the biggest, and gradually the size of the trees will be decreased. At the end of the road on Vanishing Point, I am going to draw a sun. Remove the upper diagonal lines. Draw some other details of the sky, like I'm making clouds here. If you wish to add some birds or hot air balloon, it's your choice. You can be creative. Add the details on the buildings, like draw windows, doors, even different types of rooftop. Here I am adding street lights on the footpath. I am working with my right hand, so I start shading from my left hand side. Use 6B, 3B, 4B or any other shading pencil for this work. Things near to the vanishing point will be more brighter because of the sun, which is the source of light, even in the drawing. Add value in your work by creating tones, light, medium, dark, and very dark accordingly. My one-point perspective drawing is ready. I hope you enjoy this video and learn how to draw a cityscape using one-point perspective. Write it in the comment and share your feedback. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.